It's Thursday. That means we have a vet here to answer your pet questions. If you have a problem with your pet, give us a call, 918-460-KJRH. We have Dr. Joe Landers here to answer your questions, and he has brought along Jellybean.
Jellybean. Yeah, Jellybean's a good little girl there. I did a little quiz on you this morning, and I asked if you can tell if she's a girl or a boy without lifting her tail. And she's got a little bit of, you have to look really close here, a little bit of this orange here, and we call that kind of a torty color. They have like 16 different genes that cause color, so, and you have to have two X's to have that. So anyway, she's really kind of cute. And
she is.
We talked about, I would have named her Liberty, but I think she was found around Easter, so they said Jellybean.
Jellybean, it's appropriate.
But she's a good little kitten. She's about 12 weeks old. She's over at Arrow Springs, which is 918-455-7107. So she's
really sweet. And calm. She just all of a sudden got kind of rambunctious, but she's fun.
She'll be a little mouser or something. I don't know. She's pretty fast when you get her going. So
okay, we've got lots of callers.
Absolutely.
Let's get to them. First, we have Sharon in Owasso. Good morning, Sharon. What's your question?
Good morning.
Hi.
I adopted the little Jack Russell you aired on TV, Pepper Jack. She's 7 months old now, and she is losing her hair in handfuls.
Yep.
She has no rashes. She's healthy.
Any fleas on her?
No fleas.
Okay. A lot of times there's some different deals. You want your veterinarian to kind of look at that, because they should lose some hair during the summer, because they actually don't sweat. What they do is they kind of just lose some hair, and they need, because it's very, very, very hot. Sometimes, they can have some allergies and stuff. At 7 months, you want to look at that kind of close, and you want to make sure that there's not, they'll go in and they'll look and make sure there's not a little mite called Demodex. Sometimes that's about the time it shows up again a little bit, especially in that kind of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 month range or so. So have them kind of check the skin and make sure that didn't show up on you. So.
Okay. Next we have Dee in Claremore. Hi, Dee. What's your question?
Yes, I have a 13-year-old Shih Tzu mix that I've had since he was like 4 weeks old. He's developed a cough.
Yes.
And I'm on fixed income, so it'll be a while before I can get him into the vet. Is there anything I can do for him? Not all the time.
Well, sometimes, some of these guys, as they get older, their trachea collapses a little bit, and if it's a real dry cough that's kind of occasionally, especially if they're exerting themselves, say going outside or running around a little bit, that actually can be kind of a sign, an aging process there. If it's allergies or something, you can sure give some Benadryl. Benadryl's given at about 1 milligram per pound to see if that kind of helps a little bit. If they stop eating, if there's any discharge, especially if it's from their nose or something, then a lot of times they need an antibiotic or something and kind of go from there. The other deal we think about real quick is heart stuff, especially if the cough is soft and kind of at night and stuff, kind of just a little deal. Then sometimes I get to thinking about hearts, and that does need to be checked out. So.
Okay, well, we are out of time.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. You bet.
Lots of good advice, as always. And if you'd like to adopt Jellybean here, she's a sweetheart. You can call Animal Aid 918-744-8280 or log on to animalaid.org. Dr. Landers is here every Thursday to answer your pet questions. If you've missed any of today's segments, you can go to KJRH.com, click on the Lifestyle tab to watch it again, learn about other pets who need homes, and find out more about Heritage Veterinary Hospital. She's getting rowdy on me.
She is.